Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning,
Good
ma'am.
morning. Good morning. Rudra, Twisha, turn on your camera, please. Rudra Jajaria. And Khevna, your camera is upside down. Rudra Jajaria and Twisha, you both are not there in the class?
Ma'am, 2 minutes.
Good morning, Raghu ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Dhyan Chile, please answer in the class whenever being asked from you. Please answer, okay? Very soon I will start the class. Let everyone join. Okay, meantime, everyone would join. I will do a one recap what we have done in the last class. 4 by 4 square I'm taking. You know, we have done the calendar in the last class. 4 columns,
Yes, ma'am.
4 rows. I will write the names, numbers, sorry. 5, 12, 19. These numbers I'm taking from the calendar only, students. You cannot write the numbers randomly according to your choice. No. This trick will applicable only with the calendar 4 by 4 square numbers. Okay. The way, yes, that day the Samriddhi was telling us and showing us the square with the numbers. That way the trick will not work. It will work with the calendar numbers only. 26,
Ma'am, we have
6,
4 by 4
13,
in
yeah,
the
4 by 4 square revision. 27, 7, 14, 21, 28, 8, 15. Okay, there. 8, 15, 22, 29. What you will do in this case, students, now? Tell me 4 by 4. Who will tell me? Raise your virtual hand. Who knows about the 4 by 4 square trick?
In the addition one trick,
Yeah, first select the any number from the column wise. Nishika, select any number, either row wise, either column wise. Select.
13, 14.
No, 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 no. One number. If I am saying this column, select only one number. सारे number आपको ही choose नहीं करने हैं. Select any one number from the first column. This is first column. Column are the standing. Rows are sleeping.
7.
The second column, third column, fourth column. You said 7, cross the other number which are in the column of the 7 and cross the other number which are in the row of the 7. Now second row. Priya, from the second column, select any number.
Ma'am, 12.
12. Cross all the numbers which are in the column of the 12 and cross all the numbers which are in the row of the 12.
Ma'am, I can tell.
Make that. Go to third column and select any number. रिमेनिंग जो क्रॉस हो गए हैं वो नहीं, जो क्रॉस नहीं हुए हैं उनको, उनमें से एक नंबर. Migdal, am I audible, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, please select. Select बच्चा बोलो देखकर any one number.
20.
20, circle 20 and cross the numbers which are in the row column of the 20 and the row of the 20.
Ma'am, remaining is 29. To circle like
Circle
29.
29. Now somebody tells you to add these numbers which are in the circle 7, 12, 20, 29. So when the numbers which are in the circle, when you add them, it will take time. But here is a one trick. Take the small number from the 4 by 4 grid, which is 5. Take the greatest number, which is 29. Add them. 29 plus 4 is what? 29 plus 5.
Ma'am, 34.
34. Rudra Master. 34 multiply by, after adding whichever First take the small number, take the greatest number, add them, always multiplied with the 2. This is a trick rule. So 34 multiplied by 2 is what?
68.
68.
68. Now we will check whether the addition is coming same. 9 plus 2 is 11 plus 7 is 18. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 68.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
There is one more trick.
Yes, tell me.
We have to take the smallest number. We have to add 8 to it. In the textbook, it is there one more trick.
You can apply many tricks.
So we can multiply it by 9 also, or we have to multiply by 2 only.
Which one? Which is given in the textbook? You
Yeah.
can do that trick also.
Okay.
Okay. Is that clear to everyone? 4 by 4 square
Yes,
and
ma'am.
the circle numbers are how to find. Clear? There. I think you are not speaking, but I am audible to you, right? Show me thumbs up if I am audible. So be active in the class.
Yes, ma'am.
So this revision we have done about the 4 by 4 square. Next coming classes we will do more revision. So today is our topic about we are going to learn about the patterns in numbers.
Pattern number. Wow.
Pattern in numbers. You have learned in grade
Yes,
4
ma'am.
also that the pattern in numbers. I will give you one example. Then you will give me more examples. For example, these type of patterns you have learned in grades in your smaller grades or the lower grades. So can you see some pattern is coming in the numbers? 2 after 2 is the 4, then 6, then 8, then 2.
Ma'am, 2 table.
2 table.
And we
Ma'am,
can
two
say it's a
table.
skip count by 2. Yes or no?
Ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
And if next pattern is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. This is also the pattern.
Yeah, ma'am, it is odd number pattern.
Pattern of odd numbers. Got it? This way, students, can anyone please raise a virtual hand and tell me, can anyone tell me any pattern which you have learned in your previous classes? Yes, Khush Ahuja.
Yes, ma'am. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Ma'am, 11.
Just a minute. Let me take the attendance. Yeah. Tell me. 11.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
11.
Ma'am, page number 108.
Page number 108. Yes. So, Khush Ahuja,
13.
please continue.
13.
13.
15.
Then. So, this is also the odd number pattern. Something, some another pattern.
But can I tell?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes, Gunav. Gunav.
Ma'am,
5,
can I
10, 15, 20, 25.
Yeah. So here the skip count of 5 is there. Yes, some another pattern. Lakshya. Very good, Gunav.
2, 2,
Lakshya.
4, 6, 8, 10,
This is already explained by me. You have to give your own pattern, which you have learned in the
Yeah.
previous classes.
7, 4,
Yes,
7,
Hmm.
14,
14,
14,
21,
21, 28.
28. So it's a skip count by 7. Except skip counting. Some another pattern you have learned in the numbers. Priya, yes, tell me.
Ma'am, 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. So we add the numbers.
Yeah. So be 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus 8 will be 16. 16 plus 16 will be 32. Very good, Priya. Yes, Trisha. Anyone else? Samriddhi, you want to give me any pattern? If children, if you don't want to give me pattern, your hands are raised. Lower down your hands then. Kevna, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am, I'm ready.
Yeah, please give me Khemna. Very good, Priya. Yes, Khemna, give me.
32 for 64
32 plus
96
32 is 64. 64
64
plus 64. Very good. Very good. Sometimes you find like this also, no? One, then three. This way also. So, for example, I will also give you one example.
Ma'am,
Now, yes, Samriddhi, give me.
ma'am, can I tell in alphabet?
No, no, we are learning numbers, then you will give in the numbers only.
Okay, ma'am. Then 9,
9.
27,
Hmm.
36,
9.
36,
Hmm.
45,
45.
54.
54. So what are you doing here? Which number pattern you are following here?
I am doing here a table of 9.
For 9, then after 9 you have given 36, means you are multiplying with 3 times. Then what are you doing? Then
Then
again you
I
are multiplying with the 3 times. 9 6 ja. No, now no pattern is there. 9 के बाद 18 आना चाहिए, then 27. आपने 18 skip कर दिया. If you are skipping 18, then there should be some rule should go. Yes, yes, Desai, please can tell me.
Ma'am 6.
6.
Ma'am 6, 12, 18, 24,
This is
30.
the table of 12. 6 is going. Right?
Yes.
But sometimes what happens? But there is a rule like also.
Ma'am, 12, 24, 20.
Now mute yourself. I will give you mute Pooja.
unique one?
Yes?
Are you seeing Anna as a unique one?
Yeah, please tell me.
Ma'am, another pattern could be 1,
Hmm.
3,
Hmm.
then 7,
Hmm.
then after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13.
After 7, 13. Okay. You will
Ma'am,
tell me, huh?
I'm trying. The pattern is that if it's 1, so I am trying to do 1, then 1 2 times plus 1. So 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 1 3. Then after 3, then comes 2 1. So 3 plus 2 5. Then 5 plus 2 7. Then after 7, there comes 3. So 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
Hmm. Okay. Very good. This is also the pattern. Very good, Daksha. You have written 20. Now I am giving you a pattern in the tables also. Children, you all know that the table of 9 is having a pattern also. Right?
Yes,
Anyone
ma'am.
knows?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Anushka, please tell me how the table of 9 is having. Khemna, mute your mic, please.
Sorry, ma'am.
Yes, Anushka. Can you please tell me?
By the number, so first in the first row we have to write 0,
Hmm.
then 1,
Hmm.
2,
Yes.
3,
Yes.
4,
Yes.
5,
Hmm.
6,
Yes.
7,
Hmm.
8,
Yes.
9. Now
9.
we have to start with the 9 digit.
We have to
Reverse.
reverse 9,
8,
8,
7,
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. So have you observed that there is no, you have not learned also. So, but with the trick, you can easily see the table of 9. First,
Ma'am,
start with the 0, 1, 2, 3. There, I am audible to you. You feeling sleepy?
excuse me, ma'am.
No, ma'am, I am thinking that what will come. I was writing the table. I was writing the table of pattern of 30. So I
Okay.
was thinking.
Got it, students? 0, 1,
Excuse me,
2. Then
ma'am.
you go to the, yes, please.
Ma'am, and
Ma'am, I
the
am Anya.
Anya, tell me.
Ma'am, I have one
Ma'am,
more
I am
pattern.
out of the town, so there will be network issue because it's raining a lot.
Okay.
All the multiples of 9 when we add when
Ma'am,
we
we can make a pattern by 5 table also. Ma'am.
Yes, Anushka.
ma'am all the multiples of 9 when we add them
Hmm.
it's like 45, so when we'll add them the answer will come that number itself.
Hmm. Okay. Now I'm going to give you one more pattern with the odd numbers. Children, you know, 1 equals to 1, right? Then I say give you a pattern 1 plus 3 equals to 4. Then I give you after, so these are the two odd number, continue odd numbers. Which are the, if I tell you to write 3 odd numbers, Samriddhi, tell me 3 odd numbers.
Ma'am, can I?
Yes.
3 odd numbers. 9.
Next 3, continue first 3 odd numbers. 1, 3, 5.
1,
1
3,
plus 3 plus 5.
5.
So what will come? Please add them and tell me what is the answer.
4, 9. 9.
9.
9.
So what have you observed here? 1 multiplied by 1 is 1. 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. Mute your mic, Samriddhi, please. 3 multiplied by 3 is 9. What will be the next, Ayush?
Ma'am, after 5, it will come 7.
So all the 4 odd numbers will be coming together. And if you do next, अगर आपको ये पता है, so will you able to find the total here?
Ma'am, 16.
16. Very good.
16.
Trisha,
4 4s are 16.
will you
Easy.
tell me what will come here in the multiplication next?
Ma'am, I know. Ma'am, 25.
Trisha, I don't know what are you doing. 5 5s are 25. So Lakshya will tell me, Lakshya, which odd numbers will come here?
After 7, it is 9.
So, but all should
One.
come. 1 plus
1
3 plus
1
5.
plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9.
So this way you will able to continue the pattern.
Yes,
Ma'am,
6 6
but
are
wait.
36.
Yes, tell me, Trisha.
Ma'am, I have a trick to find this addition. See, if it's odd numbers, if it's 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, then there are 5 numbers. So we have to 5 into 5, then it will be 25.
Yes, because here are 4 numbers, here are 3 numbers, here are 2 numbers, here are 1 number. Yes. Thank you. So this way you can continue the pattern. Yes or no, student? Show me thumbs up. Okay. I'll give you more pattern. Now I'm writing something here. You have to observe the pattern and tell me what is I'm doing here. If you want to write in your notebooks, please write.
Can't understand.
Ma'am, we have to write in the notebook.
Yes. Rudra Master, can you tell me what I have done in this pattern? Explain me this pattern and continue 2 more steps of this pattern. Rudra Master, am I audible, right?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, please give the answer.
Ma'am, can I give the answer?
Wait a minute, let me take the attendance for a minute.
Ma'am, can I give the answer? I know.
There you give me.
I said, ma'am,
Yes.
it will come 4 9s multiply by
9.
9
9.
plus 11.
No, here is 7 only. By mistake, I have written here.
So plus 7.
So what will be the answer? अगर आप इसको सॉल्व करोगे 9 9 9 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 9 प्लस 7 करोगे तो
8 plus
8
9
8
plus 8.
ma'am 8 triple 9 and 8.
yes. So what this pattern is saying?
Ma'am,
Can you
it's
break
saying
the line?
that
Huh?
it's saying that the 9 it is adding 1 means it's getting
Yeah, it
bigger
is
and
increased
bigger.
by 1 9. Yeah.
And in
And
this pattern, this 88, 898 and means in this also it's increasing only.
yeah, here you can see there are 2 9s. So 1 9 in the middle. 3 9s, 2 9 in the middle. 4 9s, 3 9. 1 9 is decreasing in the total. Have you observed that?
Yes, ma'am.
So
Ma'am,
Rudra,
so it is a continue pattern.
yeah. Rudra Jajaria, can you tell me which will be the next step? I think I'm audible to you all, right? But why children are
can I
behaving
say?
like this that I'm not audible?
Ma'am, can I say? Ma'am, can I?
say?
Yes, Arna Agarwal.
Ma'am, it will
Can
become
I say?
5 9s into 9
This will
plus
be
7 is equals to 8 9 9 9 9 8.
How many nines will come in
4
between?
9s, ma'am.
Yes. So this way you can continue the pattern. Okay. Now I will give you one more example. Please write it in your notebooks because when I will send you the worksheets so you can see and revise your work.
Ma'am, worksheet will also based like this only.
On patterns only.
Yeah.
Not the same patterns, but it will the patterns. You observe the pattern
The
and follow.
pattern. Yeah. Yeah, but
Same.
different numbers and all.
Different number. Hmm. Who will tell me what will be the next step?
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, Anushka.
Yes, from the next step will be 4 sevens
Hmm.
into 7
Hmm.
plus 6,
Plus 6.
and the answer will come 5
Hmm.
444
Hmm.
Triple 4.
5.
Triple 4 will come, no?
Yes.
Ma'am, can I say the
404.
answers now? Next.
No, I have to give to the next child. Yes, Trisha.
Ma'am, we have to
Ma'am,
write this
there will be
one.
5 7
Yes, yes, please write. Yes.
into 7 plus
Yes.
6 is equals to 5. Then 4 4. Then again 5.
How many times 4 will come in the middle?
4.
Then 5. Got it? Have you checked the number pattern which is following here? Yes or no,
Ma'am, it is
students?
same like
Ma'am, can I say one?
Yes, please.
No, ma'am, this one only.
Okay. Tell me. Next step.
Ma'am, 9. Ma'am, 5 9s.
5 are already there.
7.
5 are already given by Trisha.
So, ma'am, 7.
6 7. 1 3 4 5 6. Anna, got it?
Ma'am,
Yes,
I have a doubt.
Yes,
and
then.
then 7
Let's
plus.
ask.
Ma'am,
Plus
when this
6.
pattern goes, the 7, the multiply by 7 and plus 6
They will
not
give you
change your.
it can go so on. It can go so on. But when we ask in the exam or we ask in the worksheet, only dashes are given. That if 2 dash are there, you need to write 2 more steps. 3 are there, then you write 3
Oh.
more steps. If they tell you write 2
But
more
ma'am, I
steps,
was asking that this 7 plus 6 is there. It can get changed.
no,
This 7, no.
no,
Oh
this will,
yeah.
no,
What
the
does
pattern will go same. Okay. Because this is giving your answer will be this after solving this. When you multiply this plus this, you will check that your answer will be this only. But this you are getting with the pattern. You are not doing mental calculation even. Not doing any calculation, but you are getting the answer. How you are getting with the pattern? Got it? आपको कुछ करने की जरूरत ही नहीं पड़ी calculations की.
Ma'am, your screen is very blur.
Within 1 or 2 seconds, it will be okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. It's
Yes,
so
ma'am,
blur.
it's very blurred.
So as I said, no, within 1 or 2 seconds, it will be okay. Wait for 2 minutes.
Yeah,
take
ma'am,
out-
it's
Ma'am, still it's blurred.
Now take out your textbook. I'm not doing anything on the board now. Take out your textbook, everyone. Page number 108. Complete this pattern which is given and share the answers with me, please. 12 multiplied by 2 plus 3 is already given in your textbook. Please do this and share the answers with me. Do this, Rudra. Derre, I'm telling something.
Ma'am, which one? Which page number?
108. This is 108. Please complete the pattern and share the answers with me fast. Raise your virtual hand and tell me the answer. Yes, tell me.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Ma'am, I have raised my hand.
ma'am,
Rudra Master, tell me.
the fifth one will be 12 multiplied by 6 plus 3 is equal to 75.
Yes, please. Right. Next is. Please do next. Ayu Singhania. Next step. Children, even after calling your names, if you don't answer, so sorry from my side that I will give you a chance to speak then.
Ma'am,
No, Freya will give me. Yes, Freya. Next step.
Ma'am, 12 into 6 plus 3 here.
He has already given 12 into 6 plus 3
Ma'am,
equal to
12 into
75.
7 plus 3.
Yeah, what will be the answer? 12 sevens क्या होता है and plus 3 you will do.
Yes, ma'am. 1 minute.
You don't know what is 12 sevens are.
Ma'am, 84 plus is 87.
87. Yes. Anushka, next.
Ma'am, may I say the next?
Yes, I will ask. Anushka has done the complete.
yes, ma'am.
Let
12 Venza, no?
12 sevens are given by Freya. 12 eights are.
Ma'am, 12 is 96 plus 3 is equals to 99.
Yes. Yes, next is given by Ekansh. Ekansh, give me next.
Yes, ma'am. 12 multiplied by 9 plus 3.
Hmm.
Ma'am, is equal to 8. Ma'am, 111.
Yeah, 111. Very good. Completed, everyone?
Yes,
Everyone completed that page?
yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Observe. Please complete fast, Ayush. Those who have not completed, complete fast.
Ma'am, the downward doing now we are right now. The 9 minus 1, that one we are doing now.
First is done. Now we go to the next one. 9 minus 1 divided by 8 equals to 1. Observe the pattern and continue for fill the next. Yes, Khush Ahuja. Second question.
Yes, ma'am.
Solve and tell me.
Ma'am, 9876 minus 4 divided by 8 is equals to 1234.
Very good. So here आपने कुछ किया खुश आहूजा नहीं ना? You have observed the pattern and you got the answer. आपको कैलकुलेशन करने की जरूरत पड़ी? Yes
Ma'am,
or no?
can I say the answer?
Yes, there. And next.
Ma'am, the minus 500, right?
Huh.
Ma'am, it will be one,
Hmm.
1, 2, 3, 4.
बच्चा 1 2 3 4 हाँ 1 2 3 4 कैसे
No.
-5 वाले में तो 1 2 3 4 5 तक जाएगा.
Sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Ma'am,
Yes.
can I say next one?
Next,
1, 2, 3.
Samriddhi, please tell me.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4 minus 6 divide by 8 equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Yes, very good. So next, who will tell me?
Ma'am, may I?
Ayush, tell me the last one.
Okay, ma'am. The last one. Ma'am, I didn't understand the pattern yet. I'm trying to. Wait.
Because you're not doing, you're not
Ma'am,
practicing. Yes, this is the answer which is here on my screen.
Ma'am, I got it. Ma'am, the
Please
last one
complete
should
this.
be
Hmm.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The answer. And
Yes.
here should come 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3 minus 7 divided by 8 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Take out the next page, page number 109, students, and do follow this pattern and complete this and tell me the answers. Next, raise your virtual hand. Yes,
ma'am, done.
Anushka. Anushka, give me
Yes.
the answers for the page number 109, first one.
Okay. The first one should be 11 plus 12 plus 13 plus 14 plus 15 plus 16 plus 17 plus 18 plus 19.
Yes, plus 20. So what have you observed? The total should come what?
I know.
It's already given the total in the circle part, 155. So have you observed one pattern, 55 is 155? So what will be the next Ridhan? Ridhan Goyal.
Yes.
What will be the next in the pattern of 109, first pattern? 21. Beta, it is taking time to adjust yourself. Please be fast in the class. Yes, Kush Ahuja. Mute yourself, Ridhan. Yes,
Yes,
Kush.
ma'am. Ma'am, 21 plus 22 plus 23 plus 24 plus 25 plus 26 plus 27 plus 28 plus 29 plus 30.
Hmm. So total will be
255.
very good. So आपको add करने की जरूरत पड़ी खुश आहूजा?
No, ma'am.
So after observing the pattern, you directly got the answer.
Yes, ma'am.
55, 155, 255. So what will be the next total, Ekansh?
Am I doing my pattern only?
Yes, yes. What will be the next total?
Yes, ma'am. 31 plus 32 plus 33 plus 34 plus 35 plus 36 plus 37 plus 38 plus 39 plus 40
So what क्या आएगा इसका total?
is equal to 355.
Yes. So now I'm going to present you my screen, students. Please complete that pattern also.
Ma'am,
Yes.
you see,
Yes.
ma'am, say my textbook work.
Who is this child?
Anushka.
Yeah, let me check your pin you. Anushka completed. Anushka, can you zoom? Yes. And can you show us the total also? Very good. And can you please scroll them up? Up, upar. Yes. Keep taking it up. Yes. Karnav, have you understood the pattern which we are doing?
Yes, ma'am, and I have done also.
Very good. Now, next pattern is already which we have discussed in the class is according to that. Please complete that pattern also. And children, almost only 1 or 2 topics are left in this. One topic is already only left about the secret numbers that we will do in the coming class. So please prepare yourself now for the CET. Okay? In the next coming classes, please prepare all the topics for CET and do the next question also, which we have already discussed about the odd numbers. 1 plus 3
Okay,
equals
ma'am.
to 4 equals to 2 multiplied by 2. Then all the odd numbers you are coming 1 plus 3 plus 5 equals to 3 multiplied by 3. This we have already done. Please complete this pattern also. I am going to send you the worksheet based on the number pattern today. Got it, students? Yeah, thank you. Very good, Anushka. Now, listen here. Please prepare yourself for the CET in the coming classes. Okay?
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.